Hello Hacker members, in today's video we are going to start our first program by printing the hello world. Now click on the Turbo C++. After clicking the Turbo C++, as you can see the start Turbo C++, now click on it. Now click on a file. After clicking the file you will see the new option, now click on it. As you can see on the screen, so in the first line you have to include studio.h and in second line you have to include conio.h. As you can see on the screen, you have to follow the same process on your PC. So as you can see, I have written my first program printing hello world. So first of all, I will tell you what is a printf. Printf is used to print the output. Just like you want to print your name, you have to write the inside the quotation that what you want to going to print. I have written the hello world. As well you can write your name also, or whatever you want to print the output. Printf is used for printing the output, and there is also a scanf. It is used to take the user input. It is a predefined function. It is come under the studio.h function. So in this next video I'm going to show you what is the printf function step by step. So after writing this code, we have to enter alt plus F9. It is used to compile our code, and after that, after compiling, it shows the error or not. As you can see on the screen, there is no error and no warning. So now let's run our code. To run our code, we have to control plus F9 to run our code. As you can see, our first hello world program has been executed without any errors. So I know guys, some of you haven't understood what is this all. So in next video I'm going to teach you line by line what is a printf, include studio.h, conio.h, all step by step I'm going to teach you. It's just printing the hello world. For my viewers, I want to give a simple task to print your name in a comment box. So I will be waiting for your comment.